Good morning. Today our topic is in this series, in the UPSC Principal series. Today our topic is probability different models. Okay, it's very basic models, but most important. The first question, discussing about the single die. The first question, the fair die is shown once. What is the probability of getting a prime number? Okay, एक डाई थ्रो किया, इसको हमको प्राइम नंबर चाहिए. ओके, हाउ मेनी प्राइम नंबर्स डाइस में? 2, 3, 5. Okay, what is the formula? Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Total outcomes, एक fair die thrown 6 and 2, 3, 5, 3. Therefore 3 by 6. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. C is the option. Next, two dice thrown together. What is the probability that the sum is? In this question they are given two dice are thrown. Total outcomes 6 into 6. 6 into 6. Here they are asking what is the probability of the sum is 7. उसका sum is 7 means suppose 4, 3. 3, 4. You add these two, 4 plus 3, 7. This is the first die. This is the second die. They are asking, suppose here the face number is 4. The face number is 3 here. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Here we want this type of. How many are there? 4, 3, 3, 4. 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2. Therefore, how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Therefore, 6, 6 cancel. Answer is 1 by 6. Next, two coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting exactly one head? What is the formula? Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Two coins are tossed. Therefore, denominator 4. What is the probability of getting exactly one head? Head, tail, tail, head, tail, and head. These are the total outcomes, 4. But here we want only exactly one head. How many? There is only one thing. Therefore, answer is 1 by 4. Next question. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting exactly two heads? Exactly two heads. Head, tail. Head, tail, head. Tail, head. Okay. Head. Tail. Tail, head, tail. Tail, head. Total how many completed? 7 completed. And head, tail. Total 8. These are the total outcomes. 8. But here I want only exactly two heads. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Exactly. Therefore, answer is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the answer. Next question, playing cards. One card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting ace? Total how many cards? 52. How many aces? 4. Therefore, 4 by 52. 1 by 13 is the answer. Total 52 cards. Red 26. Black 26. In 26, there are spades and hearts and diamonds and clubs. 13, 13, 13, 13. Okay. In 13, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. J, Q, K. Okay. J, Q, K are called the pictured cards or face cards. Okay. Next question. A card is drawn from a standard deck. What is the probability of getting a red card? What is the probability of getting a red card? Total how many cards? 52. How many red cards? 26. Therefore answer 26 by 52 by it means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 26 1 ja, 26 2 ja. Therefore these two are the options. Both B and C is the answer. Next question. Face cards. What is the probability of drawing a face card from a standard 52 deck? Face cards JQK is called the face cards. How many face cards? Into 4. Why? Because in clubs they are JQK, in spades they are JQK, in hearts, in diamonds also. Therefore JQK into 4, that is equal to 12. They are asking what is the probability of drawing face card from a standard deck 52 deck. Therefore denominator 52, total outcomes by 12. 12 by 52, that is equal to 3 by 13 is the answer. 3 by 13 is the. Suppose you think about this. The first of all 12 by 52 is the answer, but you can write it in the only lowest form. 4 3 ja, 4 13 ja. This is the answer, 3 by 13. Okay. Next, balls in a bag. A bag contains 5 red and 3 blue balls. First of all, you can write here red 5 and red 5 and blue 3. Okay. One ball is drawn randomly. What is the probability of getting a blue ball? Okay. This is these balls in a bag. This is the bag. This is a bag. Okay. Total how many balls? Total 8. Here they are asking from one ball is drawn randomly. What is the probability of getting blue ball? How many blue balls here? 3. Therefore this is the answer. 3 by 8 is the answer. 3 by 8 is the answer. Next question. Without replacement. A bag contains 4 red and 6 blue balls. Red 4 and blue 6. 2 balls are drawn without replacement. What is the probability of the both are red? Okay. What is the probability of both are red? How many balls here? Total 10 balls. Okay. Total 10 balls. Okay. First ball 4 by 10. Why? Because here we want the only red ball. 2 balls drawn without replacement. And next one is 3 by 9. There are 4 red balls. First of all, I am selected 1 red ball. I am taken. That is equal to 4 by 10. The next one, already 1 ball is taken. Therefore, how many balls here? Here 3 and plus 6. 9 balls is there. Therefore, total 9. But here we want red ball. Therefore, 3 by 9 is the answer. Okay? 3 by 9. Therefore, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 2 ja, 4 5 ja. Therefore, answer 2 by 15 is the answer. 2 by 15 is the answer. First option. Next question. At least one. 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one head? 2 coins are tossed. Head, tail, tail, head, and tail. Okay. Method 1. First of all, here at least one head. You can observe here. This one, and this one. Therefore, answer is total outcomes 4, favorable outcomes 3. 3 by 4 is the answer. And another method 2. Two coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least one head? At least one head. 1 minus not head. Not head. 1 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Here you can observe. Tail. There is no head. Therefore, 1 minus no head. 1 minus no head. This is the answer. Already we discussed about the not E. 1 minus not E. Okay? Like that. This is a simple formula. Next question. Random number question. A number is selected randomly from 1 to 20. What is the probability that is a multiple of 5? Total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Here I am discussing about the multiple of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Therefore, the answer is overall 20 numbers and 4. 4 by 20. That is equal to 1 by 5 is the answer. Okay. It is a multiple of 5. Next question. A number is randomly selected from 1 to 10. What is the probability that is even? Okay. How many numbers are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 by 10. 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2. Okay. Even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Total, what is the answer? Total outcomes 10. Favorable outcomes 5. Therefore, answer is 1 by 2. Next, leap year. Ignoring century year, complications and consideration for a 4-year cycle. 4-year cycle. What is the probability that randomly selected is a leap year? Simple. In suppose 4 years. In 4 years, what is meant by leap year? Leap year must be divided with the 4. Leap year must be divided with the 4. Suppose 2026 by 4 is divided by 4. No. Therefore, it's not a leap year. Okay, it's not a leap year. But here they are asking 4-year circle. In 4 years, 3 is the non-leap year. 1 is the leap year. 1 is the leap year. Here they are asking what is the probability of randomly selected year is a leap year. Total in a 4-year cycle. In a 4-year cycle, only 1 leap year, 3 non-leap year. In this question they are asking it's a leap year. Therefore, leap year favorable outcomes 1 by, total outcomes 4. 1 by 4 is the answer. Next question. From group of 5 teachers, 1 teacher is randomly selected. What is the probability of selecting particular teacher is? Total teachers 5, 1. 1 by 5 is the answer. Next, R probability. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting 2 or 5? 2 or 5. Okay. 2 or 5. 2. What is the probability of getting 2? 1 by 6. What is the probability of getting 5? 1 by 5. In a dice, you can observe this is the die. This is the die. How many faces here? 6 faces. What is the chances? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What is the answer? 2 or 5. Therefore, 2 by 6. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. 1 by 3 is the answer. Next. End probability. A coin and a die are thrown together. What is the probability of getting a head and 6? Head and 6. Simple, 1 by 12 is the answer. Why? Because you think end is a symbol of multiply, or is a multiple, or is a symbol of the plus addition. Okay. Once here observe 2 means 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Why? Because it is the probability for the 2. It is the probability for the 5. Therefore, 2 by 6 is the answer. That is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. That is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Here, end probability. End means multiplication. A coin when a die, coin and a die, coin and a die, coin and a die are thrown together. What is the probability of getting a head? A coin is tossed. How many faces? Two faces. Here they are asking head. Therefore 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And in a die they are asking 6. How many sixes are there? Only 1 6 and total outcome 6. Therefore 1 by 12 is the answer. Okay. It's simple. Total in a die there are 6 faces. Therefore here we want only 6. Therefore 1 by 6. In a coin there are 2 faces, head and tail. But here we want only head. Therefore answer 1 by 12. A coin tossed twice. What is the probability of getting head on both tosses? Twice. Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. These are the chances. Coin tossed 2 into 2, 4. But here they are asking only head on the both tosses. Here they are asking head on the both sides. There is only one chance. Therefore 1 by 4 is the answer. Next, complement. What is complement? 1 minus P of E. Okay. If the probability of an event occurring 0.7, what is the probability that it does not occurs? It does not occurs. Formula does not occurs. P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. That is equal to 1 minus 0.7. That is equal to 0.3 is the answer. 0.3 is the answer. This is the answer. The probability of an event occurring 0.7. But here they are asking not occur. Okay. Formula P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E. Simple technique, success plus failure is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, formula P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. P of E bar is equal to 1. Okay. This is the answer formula. Next. 3 coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting exactly one tail? Exactly one tail. Already we completed this sum in the previous. Exactly one head. Okay. How many coins? 3. Head, head, head. Head, tail, head. Already. Tail, tail, tail. And head, tail, tail. Tail, head, head. Head, head, tail. Tail, tail, head. Head, tail, tail. Okay. 8 completed. There is no repeated. Okay. Exactly one tail. Exactly one tail. How many tails? Exactly one tail. This is the one tail. Exactly one tail. This is one tail. This is one tail. And this is one tail. Therefore answer 3 by overall 8. This is the answer. Next question. A school selects one student randomly from 20 students. Among them, 12 are boys, 8 are girls. What is the probability that the selected student is a girl? Simple. Total how many boys? Boys 12. Girls 8. Total 20. Okay. But here they are asking what is the probability of the selected student is a girl. How many girls are there? 8. Just here from 8 we are selecting only one. Total 20. 8 by 20. That is equal to 4 2s are 4 5s are. 2 by 5 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Once again repeating basics. Dice 6 outcomes. 2 coins 4 outcomes. Formula 2 power n, that is equal to 2 square 4. Suppose 3 coins 2 power n, that is equal to 2 cube 8. Total 52 cards. Red 26, black 26. Face cards 4. Face card 12. What are they? J, Q, K in all, that is equal to 12. J, Q, K 3. Okay. 12. Aces 4. Kings 4, queens 4, all are 4. P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. This is the main formula. P not E, that is equal to 1 minus P of E. At least 1 is equal to 1 minus none. End is usually multiply, or is usually by add. Okay. Leap year, non-leap year. Leap year. Okay. 366 days. Non-leap year. 365 days. 52 weeks plus 2 days. Non-leap year. 52 weeks plus 1 day. Okay. The 2 days must